I'm not sure if I'm going through a tough time or something right now, but I keep buying myself presents. And yeah, I slipped and fell and bought myself something else. So here I am doing a Preloved Coach handbag unboxing. I bought this handbag online. It was a really good price. I couldn't resist it. It's just so cute. It's so adorable. What can I say? I just had to have it. I will, of course, tell you exactly how much I paid for it, but first of all, let's unbox it together. So as you might already know, I have a lot of Coach handbags. I love, love, love the brand. I have quite a lot of Chanel handbags. I have a fair few Louis Vuitton bags, but I have to say my heart is either Coach or Chanel. Why? Because Coach just cannot be beaten on just like everyday practicality and just incredible, incredible, incredible condition and quality, and I don't know, they just seem to get better with age. And Chanel, I just love Chanel. I love Chanel. I love it, love it, love it. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I love a Chanel bag. Anyway, my heart when it comes to handbags is either Coach or Chanel. And right now I don't have the budget for Chanel, so I keep buying myself Coach bags. So let's have a look at my latest purchase. Look at her. Isn't she cute? Like, isn't she so cute? So this is a vintage Coach bag. I always think of this as a swinger bag, but it might technically be called something else. This is from the early 2000s and it is in incredible condition. It has got a little bit of like watermarks here. I don't know if you can see, but I will give it a polish and see if I can kind of like get them out. But if not, I mean, a small price to pay for a beautiful Coach bag in such gorgeous condition. I just love the Coach quality. It's so good. Their leathers are just perfect. So this is quite a small size handbag. It is, again, what I think of as a swinger bag. It is a classic Y2K design. It's got this gorgeous leather across the top. It's not adjustable, but I feel like this is kind of like the perfect iconic length for it. I'm so happy. I'm like smiling so hard. Then across the top, we've got a gorgeous, thick, sturdy metal zip, and then it opens up to reveal the inside lining, which is so pretty. Let me show it to you. Look at the color of this lining. It's bright orange. How good is that? Isn't that cool? It's marked with Coach here. You can see it's got the Coach label on the inside. It's just a beautiful classic Coach bag, and it is in gorgeous pre-loved condition. It really is so beautiful and so special. I just couldn't resist it. And now I think the only thing left to do is tell you the price. So this bag, I think in the shop at the moment, like if I was to buy this kind of bag new, this would probably cost me about £200, maybe a little bit more for a bag of this size. However, I got this bag pre-loved, gorgeous condition, beautiful patina, everything about Coach that I absolutely love. I got this bag for £40, which I think is an absolute steal. I just think it's so pretty. It's so classic. It's so timeless. I love the monogram. I love, love, love the leather trim. This is truly a testament to how lovely the Coach quality is. I mean, this is the kind of like condition that you'd expect to see after 20 years from a brand like Mulberry or Louis Vuitton. It is just incredible. Like, they know what they're doing when it comes to leather. In terms of styling, this is a perfect day to night bag. It's also a great bag for summer or winter. The only thing you have to consider is the size. It is not for like days where you have to carry around a lot of gubbins. You know, you're not going to get many snacks in here. But I just think it is a beautiful, beautiful little Coach bag. I'm probably going to pad it up just to give it a little reshape. I'm probably going to give her a polish just to give her a bit of a freshen up in terms of like the leather softness. But she's honestly feeling so beautiful. And then the only other thing you can do with these bags, which I think is really fun, is if you have another Coach bag, you can basically get a strap off another bag and attach this hook to the strap and basically make this into a crossbody bag. But you will need an extra strap to kind of make it all attach and work. But yeah, if you want to make it into a crossbody bag, that is an option of how to do it. Anyway, that is my video. This is my handbag. I absolutely love it. She is in gorgeous condition. Everything about it is just so beautiful and she just feels so good. Like the leather quality is perfection. It's really nice and clean on the inside. I'm absolutely thrilled with it. I think that £40 was an incredible deal for it. And yeah, there we go. I will put some shopping links below if you feel like treating yourself to a new Coach bag. And yeah, let me know what you think of it. Let me know what you think of the price of it, because I'm personally thrilled with it. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.